Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. Today we're going to be logging out some poplar logs, so stay tuned. Let's see what we get into. So I wanted to take a second and go over our setup here today. It's starting to snow pretty good, but we're going to keep on trucking. We only got a limited amount of time, so we have to use it. So the first thing I put on the tractor was this big gin pole. I built this myself. You can get them online, I'm sure. I'm 280, 300, somewhere in there. But I had the pieces, so I put it together years ago. I didn't have a front end loader on my tractor, so I needed something. This worked amazing. Works great for logging. If you're going to go logging, have yourself a bunch of chains. I got a couple on the front of the tractor. I got a long one here. But this is the coup de grace if you're going to go logging. It's basically a beautiful log hook. You just set it over the log. It automatically locks in. It's a beautiful tool to have if you're logging. So we're going to test that out today. I just got it. I haven't used it, so we're going to see what it does. Well, there we are, folks. We used our tractor and the logging apparatus on the back to pull out a couple nice poplar logs today. We're dealing with 2 feet of snow, and we just went in there like it was no problem. So as long as the ground's still frozen, I'm going to continue to pull out some logs. So remember to subscribe to my website, bigwoodsman.com. If you put the link in there, every time I post a video, you'll get an email. So remember, life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it.